In this lesson, we will see together two words that are written differently but pronounced the same way. Bon, bon. So let's start with the first one, and then we'll have two examples. Ce gâteau au chocolat est bon. Ce gâteau au chocolat est bon. So in that situation, you can see that bon is in the masculine form because gâteau is masculine. J'ai passé un bon moment avec mes amis lors de la soirée. J'ai passé un bon moment avec mes amis lors de la soirée. Same thing here, bon, masculine form because moment is a masculine noun. Un bon moment. So let's have a look at the second one, bon, here, with two examples. Le lapin a fait un bond incroyable. Le lapin a fait un bond incroyable. In that situation, as you can see, bon is a noun and it's a masculine noun. Un bon. La fille fait de petits bonds sur le trampoline. La fille fait de petits bonds sur le trampoline. So in that situation, bon, it's still a noun, of course, and it's in the plural form because we don't pronounce the final S. It will be exactly the same pronunciation, bon. De petits bonds. So remember, bon, un bon.